chasing me and you. All these years of inspiration and love. Oh, how we live and what we say. It's stamping up and it's our way.
Hey everyone, this card you will need basic white base layer. You'll also need a piece of balmy blue cardstock. This is probably about 10 centimeters by 14.5 centimeters. And then this piece of basic white layer is probably about, that's 10, so it's probably about 9.5 centimeters by 14. So we've got that layer as well. You'll also need a ribbon of the pool party ombre ribbon, and I've done a bow, and you'll also need a little piece cut to be able to wrap around this layer. You'll need a Mossy Meadow ink pad. You'll also need the Daffodil Delight ink pad, and you'll also have a sprig as well. You'll need your dies, and you'll need your tear and tape. You'll need your bling and your dimensionals, and you'll also need your multi-purpose adhesive. So the stamps that you will need is the fern, all three of the fern leaves out of it, and you'll also need the words "a heartfelt thank you." And what we're going to do first of all is stamp our heartfelt thank you, and I am going to be using that in the Mossy Meadow, and I'm stamping that onto the top part of my card. So pop that onto there. Then what you're going to do, I've already gone ahead and done my other stamping. So what you'll need is a couple of ferns and then a couple in the yellow as well. So you'll see there that I've just mixed it up a little bit. I'm going to now cut those out with the dies. So we'll do that. Okay, so I've cut out all of my flowers, ferns, leaves, whatever, and what I'm going to do now is grab hold of my tear and tape and the ribbon, and I'm just going to put a piece right the way across that piece of ombre ribbon there, and just carefully peel away the back side, and then not too far down the base I'm going to add my ribbon. And then what I'm going to do is position my leaves. I may not use all of these, I may even cut some of them. So what we're going to do is pop some of these and then add a little element of a sprig in there as well. And I do want another fern in here like so. And then my bow is going to be positioned over here as well. So I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do now is just carefully pull away all of my pieces. This is the very first one that I am going to glue down. So popping that down. Then I'm going to have this one quite high up on here. Like so. Then I'm going to have my yellow coming in. Just hold that down for a sec. And then I'm going to have my other fern. Then I'm going to add my sprig. Maybe I'll just work out where I want to put my bow. So I might actually just have the sprig going in that direction. So just pop a little bit. Sorry, you can't probably see what I'm doing because I've just realized I'm out of the camera view. Real helpful. Down there like so. And then what I'm going to do is take some tear and tape, pop it onto the back of my bow. Just press that down. If it's not coming up, pull that paper away, and then I'm just going to position my bow to the side. Then to finish the card, what I'm going to do is I will use tear and tape, not adhesive. I'm going to secure my 2 pieces of ribbon. That is going to get stuck down onto our balmy blue. So if you find your tear and tape is not coming away from the end, try to go on the side of the tear and tape. It lifts the paper up a little bit easier rather than trying to take the adhesive with it. So I'm going to pop that down into the center of my card, and then onto my base layer I can add my multi-purpose and then glue that down onto there. So that is our card, and now what we're going to do is just finishing it off. We will grab hold of our bling and grab hold of your iridescent pearls and just pick up a couple of those. Whoops, I think that just flew off somewhere. And oh, there it is on my desk. Oh, and it's lost its adhesive. Okay, go again. All right. And that is our card with our bling on it as well now. So that is our card, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
What we love, what we do makes a difference in me and you. All these years of inspiration